Okay, welcome back to the Adventure Within channel. My name is Andrew Fritz. I'm a clairvoyant, healer, and meditation teacher. In this video, I'd like to lead a guided meditation called the Golden Body Meditation. This is a technique that I learned in a book called You Are the Answer by Michael Tamara. I'm going to teach it a slightly different way, and it's pretty simple, but I teach it an even more different way in a couple different class series that I offer, and then the year-long clairvoyant training. And that one involves more just being aware of the energy system and like consciously directing it through it, those core or major energy channels and major chakras in the body. But this is a little more simpler version. So the color gold can represent the energy of forgiveness, and it's the quickest way to clear karma and resistance and unwanted energy. So we're going to be playing with that, and this is basically going to be a healing. So great way to release maybe tension or stress or pain or resistance or whatever that might be in different parts of your body. So if you'd like to do this, feel free to just get comfortable in your seat, and you can have your feet flat on the floor and have your legs uncrossed. And when you feel ready, would you close your eyes? And just start to notice, where is your attention? Hey, your attention could be anywhere. There's no good or bad, right or wrong. You're just noticing what is. But where do you find your attention? Typically where you are in spirit. And from that point, would you give a hello to your physical body? Just acknowledge your body, maybe give it a compliment. Remember that, oh yeah, I'm not my physical body, but I have this body. I have a relationship to it. And start to bring more of your energy and your attention to your physical body, specifically behind your eyes, all the way back to the center of your head, that space in and around the pineal gland. And as you bring your attention to the center of your head, just notice how that's a little different from where you maybe started, where your attention was prior. But would you be in the center of your head? And take a big deep breath in. Exhale. And from the center of your head, would you become aware of your first chakra, your safety survival center, close to the base of your spine? You might feel it or hear it or see it as a color or just know it to be there. And just validate however you notice it. And then just being really open-minded and playful and creative, would you imagine a tree root or a vine that attaches or starts at your first chakra? And would you imagine that tree root or vine start to grow and descend beneath your body? And would you let that vine or tree root grow all the way down to the earth, where it can start to root into the earth below? And as that starts to happen, just notice whatever you notice. And to take it further, would you imagine that tree root or vine going actually all the way down to the center of the earth, the core of the planet? And what you're creating is your grounding cord, your connection or relationship to the planet. It gives you a little more permission to be present and to release unwanted energy, which is what we're about to do. And when you sense you have that connection with the earth, that line of energy, that tree root or vine going from the first chakra down to the center of the earth, you can just start to bring your attention to the center of your head. And take a big deep breath in. Exhale. And just allow yourself to be here for a moment. Just notice that your body is grounded. And just notice you in the center of your head. I tend to find for myself and just observing students doing this that things calm down a little bit when you ground your body and you center yourself. And when you're ready, I want you to say hello to the top of your head. Another energy center there, your seventh chakra or crown chakra, your spiritual center, your claircognizance, your clear knowing, this higher intuition in relationship to your higher self and source. But just notice the top of your head, the crown chakra, and just being, again, open-minded, playful, and creative. Would you imagine the top of your head and the crown chakra starting to turn to gold? Would you imagine the top of your head glowing bright gold? And just be, again, just have fun with however you imagine this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just be playful. And this is kind of where you set the tone, the crown chakra level, and you're starting to vibrate in the energy of forgiveness. And sometimes that's easy for people. Sometimes some people struggle with that a little bit. And another fun way to do this is you can imagine like a gold bar, you know, in the top of your head, and you can just imagine it kind of melting. But whatever works for you. And as you start to vibrate in this golden energy, energy of forgiveness at the crown chakra level, top of head, would you even allow this gold energy to um, start to make its descent in your head? Let that golden energy kind of flow down your face, down the sides of your head and face, down like the ears, down the back of your head. Let that golden energy even seep into the brain. But just let your entire face, your head, your brain just fill up with this golden energy. And just notice what happens. Notice what that is like. Typically, the gold energy will feel good. It's healing. But if you notice any discomfort throughout this process, it's not the gold energy, really. It's just what is starting to stimulate or come to the surface that you're ready to start to release. And again, that might be the stress or the pain or tension or resistance or whatever it is. And this is what you want to happen. You want this to kind of come up to the surface and kind of clear out. And would you let that golden energy start to spread into your throat, the front, the back, the sides, within the throat as well? And you can even let that golden energy spread down your shoulders, Let it start to spread down your back, down your chest, down your arms, down the biceps, forearms, all the way into your hands, to the tips of your fingers. Big, deep breath in. Exhale. Notice where your attention is. Just be right in the center of your head. Notice the gold energy spreading down your back. Let it spread down your chest and down to the waistline. And really, not just the surface, not just the skin, but filling up all the organs, muscles, bones, lungs. And let this be a healing. To let the gold energy spread down into your legs, through your thighs, into your knees, down the lower legs, into the ankles, and into your feet, spreading all the way to the tips of your toes. And then would you just be in the center of your head? And would you just notice the experience of having a golden body? And you're completely vibrating your body in forgiveness. And perhaps energy has already been releasing, but just notice any unwanted energy draining out of your body. You can direct that unwanted energy to go down the vine, down the tree root, your grounding cord. Make that conscious choice to let go, to free yourself up. Big deep breath in. Exhale. Now that you've released unwanted energy from your body, what I'd like you to do, being open-minded, playful, and creative, just a couple feet above your head, maybe 3 feet above your head, would you imagine a big gold sun? Perhaps a symbol of your unique energy as a soul. And the way a sun would shine, would you shine your light around your body? And would you shine your soul essence on your physical body as if your physical body was a sponge that starts to soak up this sunlight, this essence that is yours? And this will feel different, will feel probably much better than any of the resistance or the pain or whatever it was you're releasing. But shine this light on the top of your head, into your face, into your throat and your arms, chest, back, your legs. Really fill up with your energy and notice it. Validate this. Get more acquainted and familiar with your essence. And then instead of rushing out of meditation, bring your attention right in the center of your head. Notice your body is grounded. You've released some unwanted energy. And just notice having brought back more of your energy to be in your body and perhaps in movement. Your energy likes to flow. And just kind of take note of this experience. Big deep breath in. Exhale. When you're ready, feel free to open your eyes, stretch, come all the way out, and we'll call that a meditation. If you enjoyed that, feel free to subscribe. We have other guided meditations on this YouTube channel, and also we have classes and various psychic trainings that we offer from our online School of Intuitive Arts called Adventure Within, and that website is adventurewithin.co. I hope you enjoyed this and take care.